Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Rahmat Prastomo with NPM 2441161. Class Management 24A. The legal foundation, business entities in commercial activities. Every successful business starts with a solid legal framework. Whenever you're launching a startup or expanding an established enterprise, understanding business entities and their legal implication is essential to protecting your assets, ensuring compliance, and building credibility in the market. This presentation explores how business legality shapes commercial success. While legal entities matter, protection, credibility. Establishing a formal business entity serves two critical purposes: legal protection and market credibility. When you operate as a registered legal entity rather than an individual, you create a separation between personal and business assets. This solves your personal finance from business liabilities, ensuring that creditor cannot pursue your home, savings, or other personal property if the business faces difficulties. Beyond protection, legal entities command respect and trust from stakeholders, customer, investor, and partner. View formally registered business as more stable and professional. Banks are more willing to extend credit, suppliers offer better terms, and investors feel confident committing capital to venture with proper legal structures. Asset protection, separation of personal and business liability, financial benefits, better access to credit and favorable terms, market credibility, enhanced trust with customer and investor, tax advantage, potential tax optimization opportunities. Understanding different business structures in Indonesia. Indonesia recognizes several business entity types as with distinct characteristics, benefits, and regulatory requirements. The kinds of structure dependent on your business model, capital requirement, liability, tolerance, and growth objectives. 1. PT Perseroan Terbatas. Limited liability company, the most common structure for medium to large business. Shareholders have limited liability and ownership is transferable through shares. And 2. CV Commandeer Partnership. Limited partnership combines active partner with general liability and silent partner with limited liability, suitable for family business and joint ventures. Or 3. Firma General Partnership. All partnerships share unlimited personal liability for business debts. Simple to establish but carries significant personal risk. 4. Sole proprietorship. Individual business ownership with unlimited personal liability exists to establish but offers minimal legal protection. Navigating the formation step for PET perseroan terbatas. Establishing PT in Indonesia involves a structured process managed by government agencies. Understanding and steps ensures compliance and avoids coastal delays. The process typically takes 2 4 weeks when all documentation is properly prepared. Name reservation. Obtain approval from the Ministry of Law and Human Rights for your company name. Prepare documentation. Draft articles of association, shareholder agreement, and other required legal documents. Notarization. Have binding documents certified by an authorized notary public. Registrations. Submit documents to the Ministry of Law and Human Rights for official registration. Tax registrations. Register with the tax authority and obtain your tax number and PVP. Perizinan usaha. Essential licenses and permits. Bioinformal company registration. Most businesses require specific licenses and permits to operate legally. This permission demonstrates regulatory compliance and protects both the business and consumer. The required licenses vary significantly based on industry localization and business activities. General license. Business license (SEUP), tax identification number, and PVP. Employer registration (PKPU), environmental permits. Industrial specific license for safety certificates, health department approval, banking or financial service permit, import or export certification. Obtaining this permit demonstrates your commitment to regulatory compliance and significant reduce legal risks. Many licenses require periodic renewals, so maintaining a compliance calendar is essential for ongoing operation. Corporate governance compliance, staying legal. Proper corporate governance ensures that your business operates within legal boundaries while maintaining ethical standards. This encompasses board management, financial transparency, employee risk protection, and regulatory reporting. Strong governance practice reduces disputes, attract investors, and protect company reputation. 1. Board and management structure. Establish clear rules, responsibilities, and decisions making authority. Document governance procedure and detail and maintain transparency in all management activities. 2. Financial accountability. Maintain comprehensive accounting records, conduct regular audits, and prepare accurate financial statements. Ensure proper segregation of duties to prevent frauds. 3. Employee compliance. Honor labor laws, provide safe working conditions, maintain proper employment contracts and comply with social security and tax withholding requirements. For regulatory reporting, file annual reports, take return and requires disclosure on time. Maintain documentation for inspection by regulatory authorities. Managing risks, legal pitfalls to avoid. Even well-intentioned business can face serious legal consequences if they overlook critical compliance requirements. Understanding common pitfalls help you develop preventing strategies and avoid costly disputes, penalties, and operational disruption. Incomplete documentation. Failing to maintain proper contracts, agreements, and records creates vulnerability in disputes and regulatory audits. Tax non-compliance. Less or inaccurate state filing results in penalties, interest, and potential criminal prosecutions in served case. Inadequate labor law violation. Ignoring employment contracts breaks requirement of workplace safety standards, expose you to litigation and regulatory sanction. License expiration. Operating with its current permits result in finance, business interruption, and regulatory penalties that damage credibility. Inadequate insurance. Insufficient coverage leaves your business vulnerable to catastrophic financial loss from liability claims and unforeseen incidents. The future of business legality, trends and adoptions. The landscape of business regulation continues evolving in response to technology advances, environmental concerns, and changing economic dynamics. Successful business stays ahead by anticipating these trends and adapting their legal framework proactively. Digital transformation. Increases regulatory focus on cybersecurity, data protection, and digital contracts. Online business platforms require adapt compliance frameworks, environmental regulations, stricter ESG, environmental social governance requirements, and carbon accountability standards. Business must integrate sustainability into legal operations. Flexibly work models. Evolving employment law endorsing emerging works, gig economy, and alternative arrangements of that contract and compliance procedure necessary. Key takeaways and next steps for your business. Establishing and maintaining proper business legality is not a one-time event but an ongoing commitment to compliance, governance, and risk management. Your legal foundation directly impacts business sustainability, stakeholder confidence, and long-term success. Hires wisely. Select the business structure that best fits your goals and risk tolerance. Complete registration. Follow all promotion steps and obtain required license before operations commence. Maintains compliance. Establish system for online governance reports and regulatory adherence. Consult experts. Engage legal and accounting professionals to navigate complex requirements. Next steps. Review your current business structure, audit your compliance status, Update documentation and schedule consultation with legal advisors to ensure you're at a present and solid legal foundation. Thank you.